Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakkerdog Ïeng Jongpi.
Menteri Kesorkar Jela Bak Sanbor Sulai menhakalai photorik naitong arajar afway ula ong bagi Pulit ka Jela Meghalaya kiti banyang nakmat line of control banyadai uput usam om banyang penban na jengai kani kejingkiran Bak Sanbor kelong hadien bagi Pulit ka Sam kilawan Thombor ban pensange ya kejingyang nar elektrik ka Meghalaya hasnong yongkuli ribhoy dangshen Ubak Sanbor loong ba Kesorkar kadai rupan hukum bagi Pulit kim dai pendam dai banyakun lada don kinong syun kibawan ban Thombor ya uput usam.
Yeah, the file has gone to the Secretary of the Defense Ministry. She communicated us, but due to this lockdown, we cannot go. So next month, I'm going again to pursue with all these things to follow up all these issues. Violence you have to protect. If the enemy comes to your house and attack you and your wife and children, you have to. You also have to attack self-defense. The same thing. It should be done in our border.
But that's not legal.
If it is legal or not legal, if an enemy comes to your house to steal or to rob your house, you have to protect yourself. Whether it's legal or illegal, but you have to protect.
No, but you're supporting violence in that.
I'm not saying this is an example that we should have a spirit to protect our people. We have to utilize our force. The police are there. We have to utilize our force to protect our people. The police should go in the front to talk with the Assam police, like what we have seen regularly from time to time. The police are behind and the civilians are in the front. So the higher ups also they should give the order that the police should be in the front to protect this line of control. They should not cross the line of control. And the best solution, what I feel, is that yes, this to bring it to the negotiation in the form of meeting. Also, it is necessary. What was happening, so both the leaders of the state, both the government from Assam and Meghalaya also for this long pending issue again and again we have to sit